Hey, what's up, Dean? It's Performance. We are at the shop. Jess Cobra. I got to throw the car cover on it, but I have come to the conclusion something's up with that carburetor. It does not adjust. The four corner idle screws don't adjust, and they slightly adjusted in the previous video, but typically you get a pretty big response on each corner, like half a turn. This one, it was more like 1.5 turns, and the motor would start to kind of respond to it. Now, nothing. It gets no response. So something's going on in the carburetor. And then, like, I tried to figure out 80723-1 is the part number. 03 of 94 is the year, which is crazy to me that that's stamped March of 94. The engine was dynoed May of 2025. And that's here, somewhere right there. Printed on May of 2025. So whether it was done May 7th, 6th, 5th, it was done close to that date. So I called Holly. They have no part number in their system. It looks like a Street Avenger carb with the plastic vacuum secondary piece. You look on Roush's website and their crate engine picture looks like that carb. So it's very weird to me. I don't know. It's just weird to me. Holly has no clue what that is. Roush has not called me back, nor did they answer the phone, nor did they answer the chat. So I don't know what's going on with that to see if, they include that carb or don't include that carb. I don't really know. So he stopped by actually and started discussing. I think we're going to switch this over to either a Sniper EFI or a multi-port system. Either way, I started kind of looking, and there actually is like a lot of places you can hide. Like, they have all the wiring hidden up in here. There's a way to make a bracket to maybe come off of those two screws to hold a ECU, like a Terminator ECU or something. There's a way to do it. I mean, there's plenty of other places. Even if you mounted it up on the firewall, which I would just freaking hate drilling holes in this car, but there's a way to do it. So somehow, some way, he wants prices on everything. So if it's just from swap the carb to put a Sniper to a multi-port injection craziness, I got to get all that sorted out. Then this one, I pulled the tank to do that pump, and I will try to remember to put the pictures, but like, it's nasty. I don't even know if I got all the crud out from over here. Yeah. So there was a pile. So stressing out a little bit. I have a bunch of other cars. I got the Firebird. He stopped by, brought the blow-off valves, the wastegates. So I got to get his car in soon. Then we've got the Camaro, the turbo car coming up. That we're doing like a full bolt on, which would be nice. Turbo kit. Hopefully it fits good. It's an On3 performance kit. People talk trash. I don't care. I have On3 performance turbos on my S10. Had one on our Escalade, and I've not had any issues. The Firebird On3 performance kit was good, but it was more of an okay. turbo kit. But the car went 1020s, you know, on low boost. So it obviously works pretty good. Well, I got a bunch of work coming, but that's it for this one. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Leave me a comment. And as always, have a good day.